Hello, if you want to connect Poco C75 with your car, then we've got actually two methods, the wireless and wired method. First of all, you will have to start by opening settings. Now go into more connectivity options. You have to be connected into Wi-Fi or mobile data and go into Android Auto. Now in the most cases you will be redirected into the Google Play Store and you will have to download the latest version. Then click to connect the car. And let's start with this wireless method. So when you go right here, you got like two Bluetooth options. The first one, you can press and hold the voice command button on your steering wheel if you have this kind of the button. But if you don't have one, then you can select connect using a Bluetooth. And now if your car supports wireless Android Auto, you can basically pair it by clicking pair. And right here, you can actually find available devices. So as you can see, in my case, I'm already connected with the Cupra. And if you also have your car in the Bluetooth pairing mode, then when you refresh available devices list, you will be able to select your device from list. If you don't have Bluetooth, or for example, if this wireless connection is not working, you can also go below and simply get started by plugging your phone into your vehicle Android Auto compatible USB port. And you will be like automatically connected. So that's all.